What up, everybody? Your boy is back. Finally, I've been waiting for this. Shout out to my man Ethan for helping me build my first rifle. Who would have ever thought? Kid from Eastie building a rifle. Shout out to Ethan and Q Firearms up in New Hampshire, Dover, New Hampshire. I'm unboxing it. Just got it today, and I'm mad excited about it. You guys been following me on my journey from former professional football player, Super Bowl champ at that, to now trying to become a professional competition shooter, whether that's 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 guns. I'm trying to get that whole world. I love the 2A community, so that's what I do here. It's my journey. So make sure you subscribe to my page, because my journey is going to bring me the ups, the downs. I'm learning a lot. Leave comments. Tell me what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, because I'm a beginner in this world. You know what I mean? I've always loved guns, but now I'm starting to learn the ins and outs to being a competitive shooter and loving the sport of shooting. So, all right, enough of that. Let's get into the build. All right, let's get into the build. Shout out to Q. Built my first one, a magazine. Oh, how many holes? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something along those lines. 6, 7. This thing's beautiful. You ready for this? Let me show you. Let me show you my first build. Look at this beautiful baby. Chambered 5.56, bolt action. You know, for that long range shooting. Look at that. We're gonna put some cool optics on here. That's the next thing. Oh, got it in backwards. Put some cool optics on here. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! It's pretty sweet. I gotta say, I built it myself from the ground up. I built it from the ground up. Look at that bad boy. What you guys think? Leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see. Nice little tripod on here. Some cool optics. Right? That's what's next. Watch me add to this bad boy. So, thanks to Q. Continue follow me as I continue my journey in this world. And I love it. Passionate about guns, learning everything about guns, meeting some cool people in the 2A community. I can't wait for my first competition shooting. We're going to show that here on my YouTube page. So make sure you subscribing, leaving comments. It's going to be a cool little journey. I won a Super Bowl championship. Now let's see if I can win a competitive shooting championship. So thanks for checking it out. Until next time, your boy's out.